Alright, I'm going to start off with a pretty simple tutorial for making pop art on Photoshop CS5. As you can see, I just got a random picture and I've edited it a little bit. I used the dodge tool to lighten up some of the shadowed areas, and I took off the shadows. And I did that because of the first step. We're going to go to Image, Adjustments, and go down to Threshold. And as you can see, some of the parts where it is shaded come in pretty dark. So I lightened up the other ones so I can see better. Now we're gonna just adjust it so you can see everything. Probably about right there is good. Alright, in our next step we're gonna go to Filter, Blur, and then Gaussian Blur. And that's probably good for this picture, but you can give it a little bit more of a blur, and this will make it look a little better in the end. The next step, we're going to go to Image, Mode, and Grayscale, Discard. Then Image, Mode, Bitmap, and then make sure the halftone screen is selected, then hit OK. And I'm going to change this to 30 and then OK. And as you can see, it's pretty pixelated right now, which will make it easier to work with. Alright, our next step, we're going to go to Image, Mode, and Grayscale, and it's already at 1, so hit OK. And then Image, Mode, RGB color. And now when we're done with that, we're going to go make a duplicate layer of the background by going to Layer, Duplicate Layer, and hit OK. Then we're going to make a completely new layer by going to Layer, New, and then Layer. We're going to hit OK. And we're going to put that layer in between the two backgrounds. Alright. And for these next couple steps, make sure you have the background copy selected or it won't work. So we're going to go to Select and then go down to Color Range and hit anywhere in the white's good. Just click the white anywhere and hit OK. Alright, now you're going to get the crawling ants all over the place. And again, make sure your background copy is selected, and we're going to hit the delete button, and then we're going to hit Control D to deselect. And what you can do now is click your paintbrush tool, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger.